Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Lesson number 20 is about illustrating arithmetic and geometric series. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define and differentiate between arithmetic series and geometric series. Letter B. Derive and use the formulas for the sum of the first n terms of arithmetic and geometric series. So, letter C, illustrate arithmetic and geometric series through real-life applications and problem solving. Letter D, appreciate the importance of sequences and series in practical and financial contexts. Number 1, review of sequences. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers that follows a specific rule or pattern. Two common types. Arithmetic sequence. Each term is obtained by adding a constant difference. Geometric sequence. Each term is obtained by multiplying the previous term by a constant ratio r. Example, arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Ellipsis, so D is 3. Geometric series, 3, 6, 12, 34, 48. Ellipsis, then R is equal to 2. What is a series? A series is the sum of the terms of a sequence. When we add the terms of a sequence, we are dealing with series. So example, 2, 4, 6, 8. Ellipsis, series will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus ellipsis. And then number 3, arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Formula for the sum of the first n terms Sn is equal to n over 2 times a1 plus an. Or equivalently, Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a1 plus n1 times the d. Where Sn is the sum of the first n terms, a1 is the first term, an is the last term, d is the common difference, n is the number of terms. Illustration, if the arithmetic sequence is 5, 10, 15, 20, the series up to the fourth term is S4, 5 plus 4 plus 15 plus 20 is equal to 50. Next, geometric series. A geometric series is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. Formula for the sum of the first n terms, Sn. Sn is equals to a1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r if r is not equal to 1. where Sn is the number of first terms, n terms, sum of the first n terms. A1 is the first term. R is the common ratio. Illustration: if the geometric sequence is 3, 6, 12, 24, the series up to the fourth term is S4 is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24. That is 21, 45. And then number 5, infinite geometric series. Sometimes a geometric series extends infinitely. So if the absolute value of R is less than 1, the series converges and the sum is given by S is equal to A1 over 1 minus R. If the absolute value is greater than 1, the series diverges, no sum exists. Example, 1 plus 1 half plus 1 fourth plus 1 8 plus ellipsis. This series converges to 2. Number 6, real-life application of arithmetic and geometric series. A. Arithmetic series applications. Computing total wages earned when there is a fixed yearly increase. Calculating the number of seats in an auditorium arranged in rows with equal differences. Key takeaways. A series is the sum of the terms of a sequence. Arithmetic series uses the formula Sn is equals to n over 2 times a1 plus an. Of course, there's another formula that is n over 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 times the t. So geometric sequence, use the geometric series, use the formula Sn is equals to a1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. That is, if r is not equal to 1. Infinite geometric series has the sum if the absolute value of r is less than 1, a1 over 1 minus r. Both series have wide applications in daily life, business, and science. Practice problems. Number 1. Find the sum of the first 25 terms of the arithmetic series 3, 7, 11 plus 15 plus asterisk. So the first term, we are given the arithmetic series. The A1 is 3 and the D is 4. So we need to use the formula Sn is equals to n over 2 times 2a1 plus n1 minus d times d. Substituting the given formula, the given data, the final answer is 1275. Number 2, the 15th term of an arithmetic sequence is 60. The first term is 6. Find the sum of the first 15 terms. So we're given A15, 60. A1 is 6. So this is arithmetic sequence. So the sum, arithmetics, we are asked to obtain the sum of the first 15 terms. So we need first to get the A15 and use the formula A15 is equals to A1 plus N1 times D. The answer, of course, is 60. And then use the formula Sn is equals to N2 over A1 plus An. Substituting the given data, you will be getting the answer 495. Number 3, the arithmetic sequence has the first term A1, 1, and then we have A1 is 12, and the common difference, D is equal to 5. Find the sum of the first 20 terms. So we're given A1 is 12, D is 5, and N is 20. We are asked to get the S20. So first, get the A20. To get the A20, use the formula A1 plus N minus 1 times the D. So substitute the given data. Your A20 now is 107. And substitute it in the formula for S20, which is N over 2 times A1 plus AN. Substituting the given and the calculated value, the answer is 1,190. Number 4. A student saves 50 pesos on the first week, 100 on the second week, 150 pesos on the third week, and so on. How much will the student save in 12 weeks? Given weekly savings 50, 100, 150. So we have A 150, D is 50, N is 12. So we are asked to get the total save in 12 weeks. So S12. First, get the A12. So use the formula AN plus N minus 1 times the difference, and then substitute the given data. You'll be getting A12 to be 600, and then substitute it in our formula. S12 is equals to 12 over 2 times 50 plus 600. The answer is 3,900 pesos. Number 5. Find the sum of all integers from 1 to 20 that are divisible by 5. So we're given integers 1 to 20 divisible by 5, 5, 10, 15. So this is an arithmetic. A1 is 5, D is 5, AN is 200. So required is the sum of the integers. And so we have the number of integers that are divisible by 5 is 40 by dividing 200 by 5. So the Sn will be 40 over 5 times 5 plus 200. And the final answer is 4,100. Number 6. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus 54 plus ellipsis. We are given geometric series 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus 54 plus ellipsis. So A1 is 2, the ratio R is 3, and the N is 10. So to get the S10, use the formula Sn is equals to A1 times R raised to N minus 1 over R minus 1. Substitute the given data. The Sn has a final answer of 59,048. And then number 7. If the first term of a geometric sequence is 5 and the common ratio is 5, find the sum of the first 12 terms. So geometric sequence, A1, 5, R is 2, N is 12. So we are asked to obtain S12. So use the formula S12 is equals to A1 times R raised to N minus 1 over R minus 1. Substitute now the given data. The sum will be 20,475. We will have the next part of this lesson 20.